Hi, it's me, Marcel, standing by my new Dewalt 734 planer. And I just wanted to show you, give you a little demonstration of how fantastic this product is and my opinion of it and how it's really improved my woodworking shop. We're going to attempt today to take molding that has a groove in it. I don't know if you can really see this or not, but if you see that groove, and what I want to do is run it through the planer to manufacture a shadow box for one of our little beagles that passed away and turn it into a piece of wood that looks like this. This is one piece of it already. So let me show you how the process goes. First thing you want to do is set the planer and the camera. Excuse me, I'm new at this. I've never done this before, and I am really flubbing it up. I apologize for that, but bear with me. This is my first video ever, and I think it's going to be easier to move the tripod than it is going to be to adjust the camera. Okay, here we go. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Up, and let me lower the camera a little bit. I apologize, but this way at least you know, I'm not one of those people out there that's a true professional. I'm a novice. I'm learning. First thing we want to do, set the height of our planer to where the wood gets kinda, it won't go in. And then, okay, raise it up, it goes in. But it slides in. We want it to just basically get caught by the blades. And to keep your blades going good longer, you only want to take off about a 1/16 of an inch at a time. Now, if you want to be aggressive to take out these deep curves and that, don't. Okay? This is going to get noisy. The first strip through shows a lot of it gone. Now we're going to lower a half a turn, which is a 1/16 of an inch. On this particular model planer, quarter turn is a 1/64 of an inch, a half turn is a 1/16 of an inch. You can see more of it is gone. We're starting to lose the pattern. I'm going to lower it another 1/16 of an inch, which on this particular model, the Dewalt 735 planer, is a half turn. You can really see the difference now of where those ridges have gone. Now we're going to lower it another 1/16 of an inch, which is a half turn on this particular model, and run it through again. Basically, what you see, the ridges are gone. It is a flat piece of wood now, and it is also squared and planed to the flat sides. The edges we'll deal with later. Thanks a lot, and I hope I can teach you some more. Or you teach me. Okay? Bye.